Okay, so finally I'm going to start using this photo studio. I bought this a couple of months ago, but I just haven't had the time to set it up or have a proper look at it. So we'll see what's in here. I bought it for about £50, which ain't too bad for everything that I've got in here. I've got a few different coloured backdrops: grey, black, green for all those movie shots, and a plain white one as well. I've got some light bulbs as well. These are really bright light bulbs, really big as well, so I'll show you how bright they are later on. These are the stands for the lights, so tripod stands with height adjustability, and then this bit is for the light bulbs. So I've got two light bulb stands. There's some brollies as well. I don't know the proper names for these, but these are to reflect the lights. Got two white brollies and two black ones as well. Then we've got some reflectors. I'm not sure how to use them properly yet, but there you go. There's a silver reflector and a black one. I think inside here there's another one. Yep, just a white one, and a gold one as well, so I can reverse it out. Yep, but like I said, I'm not sure how to use any of these. I'll be learning over the next few months when I have time. Finally, the main stand. So I've got 3 clips to use on the backdrops, and then in this bag I've got the stand itself. Which comes with 2 poles that go on the ends, 2 tripods that go on the ends, and then there's these bars that go, I think, on the top to put the backdrops onto. These ones, yeah. So that gives it the length, and that's for the legs. Okay, so I realized that obviously it's not easy. The setup of the studio has to be done properly. I don't think I've done it properly. And obviously I need more props. And I need to iron the backdrop properly as well. And yeah, so a lot more practice is needed.